guys. So,
Hoover Dam!
That should explain right now where about we are. Hoover. The Hoover.
We gonna do it.
We gonna do it. So we go to Good Springs, we go to Prim, we go to the Hoover Dam. This is Las Vegas / New Vegas day. So in Las Vegas once, we leave, we come back. It's kind of funny. But yeah, we gotta go this way to go to the Grand Canyon anyway. So might as well do it again. Might as well do it again and drive the dam. Ooh, that is.
Damn. What the fuck is this ST bullshit that you put on the back of your car? What the fuck?
Idea.
Stickers? Oh my god, you ruined your car.
Well, no, those badges are easy to take off. But, it's still.
Car is clicking away as normal.
I think we've worn down the pad to where now it just clicks more because it has more room to click.
Clickety-clackety.
And in Las Vegas, you cannot leave this car idling in one spot for very long.
It will overheat idling. It does fine while you're driving, getting air through the radiator, but it will overheat in idle.
It will overheat. If I'm not mistaken, well, we might actually have a visiting audience. Yeah, we actually have a little ways to go. I'm gonna pause the GoPro real quick. Well,
Yeah, possible.
yeah. Well,
Turn my video off, please.
turn yours off.
Yeah.
Look at that. That is pretty good. It's quite cool. Pause it for a second. We'll be back.